Look, don't shoot me. I'm just the messenger. What's going on, my beautiful family? You already know who it is. It's your boy, Charlie Mack. Now, today I want to talk about problem solving skills, because in this world we seem to have a lot of problems, but nobody can seem to find a logic resolution to things. So let's just jump right into it. Now, life is full of challenges. Even as a teenager or an adult, you will not be exempt from them. So we have to come to reality with that. Maybe you're struggling with work at school, maybe dealing with difficult friendships, or figuring out what you want to do with your life. Whatever the case may be, one skill that can make all the difference in your ability to overcome obstacles and to achieve your goals is problem solving. Now, at its core, problem solving is simply the ability to identify a problem, develop potential solutions, and then choose the best course of action that will solve the problem. Now, I know it may sound simple, but in reality, it's a complex process that requires some strategy. Now, the first step in problem solving is to identify the problem. This might involve asking questions, gathering information, and then examining the situation from different angles. For example, if you're struggling with something at your job, ask yourself precisely, what are you having trouble with? Whether trying new work techniques or whether you have talked to your supervisor for extra help. Now, once you have identified the problem, the next step is to brainstorm potential solutions. Now, this might involve generating a list of ideas, consulting with others for input, or even researching different options. Let me give you another example. Let's say you're having trouble with a difficult friend. In a case like this, you might want to brainstorm different ways to address the issue, such as talking to them directly, or seeking help from people that you can trust, or simply avoiding them altogether. Those three options you have. Now, once you've come up with a potential solution, the next step is to evaluate each option and choose the best one for you. Now, this can involve weighing out the pros and cons of each option, considering the potential consequences of each choice, and consulting with mature individuals to get better insight. For example, if you're trying to decide whether to talk to a friend or to seek help from a counselor, consider each option's benefits and risks and the impact each choice has on the relationship with your friend. So let me conclude this message by saying, when you develop your problem-solving skills, you will not only be able to tackle challenges you're facing now, but you will also be better prepared for many obstacles and opportunities that's coming in the future. I hope this message was helpful to at least one person. You know I'll be back at you again tomorrow with another one. Until then, keep your head on a swivel, love yourself, and only help who wants to be helped. I love y'all. I'm out of here.